Okay, good morning, guys. So, as you know, it is an asynchronous day, so there will be no conference. I want to remind you that we are in the Yellow Wednesday folder, and it is 3/3, March 3rd. Okay, make sure you fill out this Microsoft form so that you can be marked here for attendance. And then you're going to want to open up your source capture list. Okay, so I'm going to choose. Um, I'll just choose Alex's, right? For example, okay? And then Alex, right, would go and open up the PowerPoint as well. Okay, so you want to open this as well. And okay, so it doesn't seem like Alex opened that, but that's okay. We'll practice on mine. So this is how you format your sources. So it looks like Alex has the URL here. So I'm going to use this one right here, and it's going to open up here. So we need to have the title, the author, and the date accessed. Okay. So the title is Martin Luther King Jr. I Have a Dream, right? So we want to have that. The author, let's see. Well, the author is Martin Luther King, right? Because he is the one who wrote and spoke this speech. And we'll say that Alex got this on February 25th, 2021. Okay. So when you have all this information, right, this is why we asked you to make notes. You're going to come to the last slide where it says sources, okay? And you can just delete this side. All right, so you're doing it in MLA format. MLA format asks you to write the author's name or editor, right? And then put a period. And they ask you to put in quotations the title. And you put a period here and then quotations again. And then you put the URL / link, whoops, right? And then a period. And then you put accessed. And this is where it gets funny. So you put accessed, you put the date first. So it would be 25. And then you abbreviate February. So Feb period 2021 period. Okay. So really, it should say accessed and then date and then period. Okay. So if we have Alex's thing here, we have the author, which is Martin Luther King Jr. period. The title is Martin Luther, right? And there's no spaces. Okay, so no spacing. King Jr. I have a dream period. Then I take the link, copy that, paste that. Okay. Oof. And then put a period and then access 25 Feb 2021 period. That's what yours should look like, okay? Spread this out, make it as long as you can so it looks nice like this. Every one of your sources that you have on here should be on here like this, okay? In this folder as well, I put some examples of the citations, right? We have who wrote it, right? The author. We have the title. We have the URL. And we have the access date. So again, the date, the month abbreviated, and the year. And that's it, guys. If you have questions, please message me.